Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kayla Logan. Hopefully you've been here before. If not, you're probably wondering, why am I in my underwear right now? And that is a very valid question. So I do no shame try on hauls. Do you know what I mean? Because it's like we see people doing these try on hauls every day, and it's like, how does the clothes actually get on? How does it fit? How are you getting it over your stomach? You know, how's it fit in on those thighs? So we want to see realistically how these clothes are gonna fit. So today we are sponsored. Yes, we are sponsored. We are sponsored by Reptiles. Yes, okay, sorry, we have to take that moment, enjoy that. So Reptiles is a Missy to a plus size company. They're owned by a diversity of women, and it's really important that they promote a diversity of bodies and of people. Their sizing goes from, I believe, a small all the way to a 5X. Most of the pieces I picked out today are a 3X, and there is a hashtag. You can use the hashtag sexy girl, because they believe everyone should be sexy. We should all be sexy. Look at this. Look at this, honey. Look at this. Okay, so today's looks, we have a theme going on here. Let's be honest, a lot of us are leaving our house right now. Like, we are on lockdown. I am in Toronto, Ontario. We're not allowed to leave unless it's for essentials right now. So what's the point of me doing a fancy try on haul? Like, are you wearing those things out? Are you even leaving the house to go to work? No. So they came up with this amazing idea that we would do a loungewear try on haul, and I am here for that because I am living in loungewear and pajamas, and I find loungewear for plus size, I can't always exactly find what I need, or I think it's a bit too expensive. So I love that Reptiles is a lot more accessible for the price point, if that makes sense. So we're gonna start off today, and I thought maybe I could take pieces that I could dress up too. So we do this romper, right? I haven't tried this romper on yet, so we have no idea. We're blindly trying these things on today. Ooh, I like the little cuffs at the bottom. Okay, easy to get on. Nice fabric. Like, I am feeling that. Goes easy over the tushy. Hey, I feel really sexy in this. Nice big pockets. If you're a pocket person like me. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then, okay, it's a fake string. It doesn't actually do this, but I do like that it gives me an empire waistline. I'm not about clothes being flattering on your body. I feel like you should feel beautiful in whatever you're putting on, and flattery is no longer a thing. Like, that shouldn't matter. I'm a fat positive person, but I do like that it gives me an hourglass shape. I think that's really pretty, and I think there's great ways you could dress this up too. So if you want to just stay at home, you can do a slipper with it, you know, just a little slipper. If you want to go out and you want to make it fancy, that's when we have a little boot moment, right? You could do a black little boot, you could do a neutral booty. Now, if you want to dress something like this up, I thought what we could do is I could show you how to dress it up with a turtleneck, right? So then you could do this as a pant look. Also, I just really wanted this turtleneck, and I'm shocked with the quality of it. Like, I'm actually super impressed. It's really thick. It's got weight to it, which is nice. Oh, hello, I'm back. Okay, so you could do the turtleneck like this, and you can do like a casual, like, maybe this is your Christmas dinner look. Or what you can also do is take a belt. We're gonna show you all the tricks today. Take a belt. There we go. And you can actually put it up like this, so you can get your waist back if that makes you a bit uncomfortable. And we can throw on a little boot like this. And this is my, like, running out to the store look. This could be your Christmas dinner look. Like, there's ways that you can maximize outfits. Also, if you want to wear the romper to bed, you can too. So there is a lot of use you can get out of this, especially if things start to open up again. We don't know if that will ever happen. I think it is adjustable, but I may be wrong. Okay, it's not adjustable, but that's okay. Just pull it up a little bit. There we go. This is the back of it. Okay. I saw like all the Instagram baddies wearing this, and I was like, I need this in my life. Oh my God, like how cute is the tie-dye? So that is our next look. This is super easy to get off. I want to say I got the 3X. I'm a size 20 Canadian on the bottom. My boobs are I don't know if any of this matters. My boobs are 40H on top, and this will fit me really nicely. Okay, so I saw everyone with these tie-dye outfits, and I felt like I was not cool because I didn't have one. So I feel like I'm pretty special right now. Here we go. So track pants are super in again. Look at these. Oh, they feel like butter. They feel like butter. But then make it fashion, right? So I want to do a crop top with it. I love showing my belly. I love showing that big girls can be sexy still. Went on super easy. Here's the back of it. Right? It's fitting in all the right places. I feel trendy and comfy at my house, and I don't like, it feels nicer than pajamas, honestly. And there's a lot of movement, a lot of space in it. There is no drawstring in it, but that's okay. The fit is really nice in the waist here. So I'm not mad about it. And now I just feel like, you know, one of those cool girls. Okay, the next look we're gonna do, sorry if you notice I'm struggling while I'm doing this. It's not because of the clothes. I actually have really bad back issues. So sometimes it makes it a bit harder to bend over and to change. And that's why, honestly, a loungewear try-on haul was the best. It is super easy to slide on. I have 2 more outfits left. I know what you're thinking, Kayla. Why are you doing stripes? Stripes make you look fat. Who cares what makes me look fat? I am fat, and that's totally fine. I'd rather wear something that makes me feel trendy and cool and sexy, and that's what stripes do. I just love them. Also, I thought about all the ways I could get extra wear out of this, like this with a pair of jeans, that with a white top. I love how baggy it is. Look at this. Look how comfy this is. So easy to get on. And it's hard to find baggy shirts when you're a 3X, so like, that's real nice. You know what I'm talking about? These are 3X too. Ooh, yes. Oh, do they gather at the bottom? They do. Oh, I love that because I'm short. What do you think of these? I don't have a camera, so you're seeing it for the first time before I'm gonna see it. But I think she's cute. Like, hello. Hello, hey girl. Oh yeah, this is just my Monday look. Like, oh, barely got out of bed. You know, but like make it cute. I love it. It's a really stretchy material. Get those squat. Yeah, we're good. I don't feel like anything's gonna rip. It's not too stiff. I am here for this. And then I left the fanciest one for last because I thought it would be really, really fun. Okay, I still love, what's the proper fashion word for the bottom? You know what I'm talking about? They're like joggers. Okay, look at this big mama. She's got some weight to her, which I like. Now this to me is like a very trendy, I'm feeling like when I pick this out, I'm like, this is so LA. Like, I love it. Okay, so we have the sweater. Got weight, like, you know, it's nice. Like, I was worried about the quality, to be honest, but I've been like pleasantly surprised with everything. Again, we did the 3X little crop top. I thought in the summertime too. Not even the summertime, think about it, like once we're going out again, like a little pair of like black jeans like fitted with this. I don't know, I just, I love it. I love it. Okay, then we have these, it's like a terry cloth. Look how stretchy this is. I am absolutely here for every one of these pieces. And like, I feel like you can wear this out. I feel like this is a moment. Like you could do like a belly chain with it. You can do a choker. I want to do some fabulous hair and makeup. I'd even throw in a pair of like sneak print boots with it. Like you can have fun. This doesn't have to just be a house look. And then look at this. Like, does this not say, I am your big teddy bear? Like, hello, queen. Hello. Oh my God, I love her. Look how soft she is. Like, she's almost like too fancy to wear at home. You come downstairs and you're like, I'm a sex symbol. I love it. What do you think of it? I think it's so pretty and it's fun and it's really comfortable. There you go. Here's a little backup. Hi. And that's it. That is today's No Shame Try On Haul featuring Rev Dolls. I will put all the outfits in the description below for you so you can go check them out. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed it. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna wear the tie-dye one right now just to like chill out in. Oh, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.